Okay, so hello, my name is Sheren Rumengan and I'm from class 3B, and now I'm going to discuss about these 3 points. The first one is about supply chain management, the second one is about Industry 4.0, and the last but not least is about digitalization in supply chain management. Okay, so first, what is actually supply chain management? So, supply chain management is the integration of the activities that procure materials and services, transfer them into intermediate goods and the final product, and deliver them to customer. So here is it. First one is start from the raw materials until going to supplier, manufacturer, distributor, retailer until it arrived to customers' hands. So, in a simple word, supply chain management is the process and the management about from the raw materials until it deliver or arrives to the customer's hand. And now we are going to talk about this Industry 4.0 because now into the future as Industry 4.0 unfolds, it's all about computers are connected and communicate with one another to ultimately make decisions. So it's all about the combination of cyber physical systems, the Internet of Things, and Internet of Systems. So this all will make Industry 4.0 possible and the smart factory a reality. As a result of the support of smart machines that keep getting smarter as they get access to more data, because everything will become more efficient and productive and less wasteful. And ultimately, it's the network of these machines that are digitally connected with one another and create and share information that result in the true power of Industry 4.0. So basically, Industry 4.0 it's all about the autonomous equipment and vehicles, and also about the robotics, and then about additive manufacturing, 3D printing, and then about Internet of Things and the cloud. And these all can optimize logistics and supply chain. And now we are going to the digitalization in supply chain management. So, how does this impact the supply chain? Because as the adoption of Industry 4.0 continues to sweep through industries around the world, the supply chain sector included, it brings with it like never seen before innovative technology that can completely transform the operation of a supply chain network, company, or procurement process. So the digitalization brings about a supply chain 4.0, which will be first is which will be faster. New approaches of product distribution reduce the delivery time of high runners to few hours, and also there are the basis for the services. There is advanced forecasting approach like predictive analytics to provide a much more precise forecast of customer demand, as you can see on the screen or the picture. And also there are the autonomous equipment and vehicles. Like here, there are shipping yards that are leveraging autonomous crane and trucks to streamline operations as they accept shipping containers from the ship. And also there are robotics because now as you can see on the screen, now there are some company that already plan a launch about this drone shipping technology. And of course this will make the supply chain, the process of delivery time, which will be faster because of this technology. But actually this technology is preferred to the industry 5.0. So basically all of this can make the supply chain management process going to be faster. And the next is it will be more accurate because the integration of data supplier, service providers, or anything, it's all provided in the computer. And also about the data of supply, how much the supply left, how much they need to add the supply that match with the amount of demand, and when they need to add that supply. So all of this has a purpose so the stock won't be overstock or understock. And of course, this is because the accurate data that provided in the computer. And also, digitalization brings about the supply chain 4.0, which will be increased efficiency. Because an example is real-time technology, where the customer and employees can be confident that stock levels displayed on their screens reflect reality in the warehouse at any given time, like we already talked earlier. And also related to Internet of Things and the cloud, which is the key component of Industry 4.0, is Internet of Things that is characterized by connected devices, which is have a huge role in supply chain. A connected supply chain can adjust and accommodate when new information is presented, like if weather delay ties up a shipment, a connected system can proactively adjust to the reality and modify manufacturing priorities. And then next, the digitalization brings about the supply chain 4.0, uh, which will be increase the transparency, because with this greater supply chain visibility, managers can now monitor how different processes are performing at any given time, from sales to logistics. It will leading to better information. And in a system with end-to-end transparency, every member of every step along the supply chain network will have access to more all data. It can enable improved visibility and provide a real-time insight into the supply chain and giving people along the chain full control. And also, as you can see here on the screen on the example, there are the shipping track technology that will build a transparency. For example, like when we put an order in the marketplace, like maybe Shopee or Tokopedia, of course, when our package be sent from the sender's location, we can track our package using this shipping track. Like we can track where our package at right now, and also when the estimation time that it our package will arrive to our location, our exact location. So all of this, of course, can build more visibility and transparency in the supply chain management 4.0. So that's all our discussion, and thank you. Bye.